Hello everyone, my name is Bhawana Yadav. I am a guest lecturer in the Department of Computer Science at Pandit Sundarlal Sharma Open University, Chhattisgarh, Bilaspur. In this lecture, I will be explaining the evolution of computers from the earliest calculating tools to modern electronic systems. We will explore how computing developed over centuries and how each invention contributed to the powerful computers we use today. Computing has a long history that began over 3000 years ago. What started as simple tools for arithmetic gradually evolved into complex electronic machines. Each breakthrough improved speed, efficiency, and functionality. In this lecture, we will look at some of the most important milestones that shaped modern computing. The abacus was invented around 500 BC and is considered the first known computing device. It is a mechanical tool made of beads arranged on rods. It was used for basic arithmetic operations such as addition and subtraction. Although simple, it introduced the concept of structured calculation and laid the groundwork for future developments in computation. In 1642, Blaise Pascal invented the Pascaline. It was one of the first mechanical calculators capable of performing addition and subtraction directly. Multiplication and division were done through repeated addition and subtraction. This invention marked the beginning of automated calculation using machines. In 1834, Charles Babbage designed the analytical engine. Although it was never fully built, it was revolutionary. It could take input, process data, store information, and produce output. These are the same four basic functions of modern computers. Because of this, Babbage is often called the father of computer. Hermann Hollerith developed the tabulating machine in 1890s. It used punched cards to store and process data. This machine was used to help with census data processing, making it much faster and more efficient. It marked an important step towards automated data handling and large-scale information processing. In 1937, Alan Turing introduced the concept of Turing machine. This was not a physical machine but a theoretical model. It described how a machine could follow instructions to solve any computational problem. This idea became the foundation of modern computer science and programming. In 1945, John von Neumann introduced the stored program concept. This idea allowed computers to store both instructions and data in memory. Computers like EDVAC and ENIAC were developed based on this principle. This architecture is still used in most modern computers today. In 1947, transistors were developed at Bell Labs. Before these, computers used vacuum tubes, which were large, consumed a lot of energy, and generated heat. Transistors were smaller, faster, and more reliable. Their invention led to the second generation of computers and significantly improved performance. In 1970, integrated circuits were introduced. An integrated circuit contains many electronic components on a single silicon chip. This dramatically reduced the size of computers while increasing their speed and efficiency. Integrated circuits made modern personal computers and smartphones possible. During 1970s, Large-scale integration of electronic circuits allowed integration of complete CPU on a single chip called microprocessor. Moore's law predicted exponential growth in the number of transistors that could be assembled in a single microchip. In 1980s, the processing power of computers increased exponentially by integrating around 3 million components on a small-sized chip termed as Very Large-Scale Integration or VLSI. Further advancement in technology has made it feasible to fabricate high density of transistors and other components on a single IC, called super large scale integration. IBM introduced its first personal computer for the home user in 1981, and Apple introduced Macintosh machines in 1984. The popularity of PC surged by the introduction of Graphical User Interface (GUI) based operating systems by Microsoft and others in place of computers with only command line interface like Unix or DOS. Around 1990s, the growth of World Wide Web (WWW) further accelerated mass usage of computers, and thereafter computers have become an indispensable part of everyday life. Further, with the introduction of laptops, personal computing was made portable to a great extent. This was followed by smartphones, tablets, and other personal digital assistants. These devices have leveraged the technological advancements in processor, miniaturization, faster memory, high-speed data, and connectivity mechanisms. The next wave of computing devices includes the wearable gadgets such as smartwatch, lenses, handbands, headphones, etc. Further, smart appliances are becoming a part of the Internet of Things, that is IoT, by leveraging the power of artificial intelligence. As we have seen, computing evolved step by step from the simple abacus to advanced AI devices. Each innovation improved size, speed, and reliability. Modern computers are the result of centuries of development and innovation. That's all for this lecture. I hope this presentation helped you understand the evolution of computers. Thank you.